Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a new AWS account. Creating an AWS account is free. You need an email address and a credit card, and we will see how to create a new account today. So open your browser. I'm using Firefox here. Anything is fine. Type AWS console and click on the first link which says sign up for free AWS account. And once you are here, you will have AWS Free Tier. What it really means is whenever you open a new account for the first 12 months, you will be eligible for free tier in few of the services. You will have a free trials, first 12 month free, and there are a few services which are always free. So click on create a free account. Use your email address. This email address should be unique. It should not be tied with any other AWS account if you have any. And give a name to your account. Verify email address and enter your verification code that you would have received. It took some time. I got my code. I'm entering my code. Verify your email address. Now you have to give a root user password. Make sure this password is a stronger one. Don't use any simple password. And the username is going to be the email address that you have. Okay. So this is going to be a root account, right? The first user email address you use to create this account, AWS account, is considered as root. Give a strong password for the root user and password, because this account, this user credential will have a privilege to even close your AWS account. Continue. Make it as personal. Enter your full name. Your address. And your postal code. Select I agree. Click next. This is the place you have to give your credit card number, and it will ask for confirm your identity. Select text, enter your mobile number, and enter your CAPTCHA. Enter the code that you would have received. Select the first business support, that is free. You don't need developer account support right now, since you are new to AWS and you are in a very early stage of your AWS journey. Complete sign up, and that's it. So now we are having AWS account, which will have for the next 12 months you will have free tier access, which we will see in the next videos how to use those free tier access. And after 12 months, you can, if you still decide to continue to use the same account, you will have always free services. So click on go to the AWS Management Console. Okay. Once you enter information, you will be taken here. This is the AWS Management Console. And once you are here, you can start using your AWS services. And that's it for today's video. We will continue on how to use AWS services in the next video. Thank you.